neck repair. Come here, get closer. So my wife bought these really long, extra long windshield wiper.
I did not.
It's a little bit too long, you know. So
I told you to just go to the store to get it.
So I'm gonna try to clip it, and then we're gonna see.
Make sure it doesn't fly into your eyes.
Okay.
Wait.
Get there. Here, take that off.
Oh my god.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. I don't think that's gonna work.
It just needs a little more work. You know what's not working is your attitude.
Your attitude. Why?
You know what?
I just fucking wonder sometimes.
Look. Hold on. There.
Oh wow, did it work?
Yeah, it worked.
Holy shit.
Now we can use it. I don't even have to cut it off. It's done.
Oh my god. You're ridiculous. Oh, it works. Good job, honey.
And it's unique too, it's custom.
Artsy.